How's it going, everyone? Jay here with LMR.com. In today's episode, we'll be covering 5 Resto's latest offering with their 1983 to 1986 front seat belt quarter panel clip kit. These quarter panel clips become missing, scratched, or damaged over time. 5 Resto has come through yet again and has released this great interior restoration part. These clips will offer a correct fit and finish just like the factory options. Let's head over to our 1986 SVO here in the shop today to show you what's involved. Start off by opening both doors and folding your front seats forward. Our SVO was missing one side already, so this made it a perfect candidate for this install. Locate the 3 inner quarter panel Phillips head screws along the front edge and remove these from the panel. Next, you can insert your hand into the quarter panel just enough to give you some room to remove this. As you can see here, the moment I touched this one, the backside broke off. Normally, you will just slide this towards the quarter glass to separate it from the panel. These clips will be molded in a neutral gray finish, so we opted to go ahead and paint these. Using some gray scuff pads and a bucket of soapy water, thoroughly clean all of the surfaces and make sure you allow for dry time. Next, you will take a clean rag or a paper towel and clean all the surfaces using denatured alcohol or any standard oil and grease remover. Hang up your parts and give them about 2 to 3 coats of your year's interior color paint. Start off with a light coat first, and then make sure you keep your nozzle about 6 to 10 inches away from the part. Repeat with a few medium to heavier passes and allow 15 to 20 minutes of dry time between each coat. Once these are fully dried, go ahead and insert your arm back into the quarter panel. Insert the new clip between the panel and the quarter glass to align these into place. Press on the clip until it is fully seated into the quarter panel. Reinstall all the Phillips head screws you removed earlier on the quarter panel. Repeat these steps for the other side of the vehicle. Check over all your work, and you are all done. All right, everybody, this one will be a great way to refresh any interior restoration you are working on. Install time should take you roughly about an hour with dry time if you choose to paint these. It is some of these small details that will really make your interior shine in the long run. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Click the subscribe button, and make sure that you have your notifications turned on. As always, keep it here with the real Mustang enthusiasts at LMR.com.